Welcome, it's Starwhite from StarWhiteReviews.com, and if you haven't been here before, please subscribe and hit the bell and all that good stuff so you don't miss a video and make another one on make money. Latitude is basically a platform that can teach you how to make crypto online with these little NFTs. If you don't know what NFTs are these little pictures. Now you see they're nothing wonderful, they're nothing great. This one sold for $253,000, 904 bucks. This one sold for $5,084, 752 bucks. You do not have to have any dyeing skills, any previous experience, any art experience, or anything like that to be able to make these and to make money. And when you start looking through a lot of these pictures, which you are going to see on OpenSea, you're going to see a lot of them are pretty awful, and they're making a lot of money. And this is what they're doing. They're making these pictures, and they're loading them up on a platform called OpenSea and selling them for thousands of dollars. Some are selling for millions. I'm not kidding. Millions of dollars. NFTs are the biggest word out since 2021. So they're blowing up right now. It's crazy because it's so easy. So you'd be crazy not to get this. So inside the members area, here's John Armstrong. He's going to welcome you to the platform. And all the training is in here on Latitude. And then here there's a welcome from Ashley Perry, who is his business partner. Okay, and the whole point is that you just make a little NFT and you list the NFTs and you sell them, and they're making money regardless of the design and the skills. This platform has been created to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, inside this members area, you're going to see a video that is from William.
Hey
This is
guys.
William. He is only 12 years old, and he is very professional, and he takes you through all this training. And we'll go through this in just a second. And William has made thousands of dollars, so he is definitely qualified to teach you how to do this, and he really knows what he's doing. So there's nothing stopping you from doing this. Like I said, he's only 12 years old. So if Latitude's something you think you'll be interested in, stick with me, and I just think you'd be crazy not to be, because this is the most recent trend that will be going on for years. Just stick with me, and we're going to go inside the members area and things inside. Plus, I put together some custom bonuses for you, so we're going to go look at those and see what the custom bonuses are. I'm going to give you the exclusive thing. You're only going to get this from me, and you have to go ahead and pick up your Latitude before this timer runs down. Because once the timer runs down, I'm removing the bonuses. So you need to understand that when the timer runs down, the bonuses will be gone. Alright, so the first bonus is going to be income training from Brendan Mace. Brendan Mace takes you from zero to hero through all of his training. This would cost you about $1,000 all by itself, and I'm just going to let you in here access totally free. And like I said, he's a super affiliate. And this is training by Joan Armstrong, who's definitely a super affiliate, Trevor Carr, who's a super affiliate, and Jonas Lindgren. And this is Mobley. And this is really exclusive training, and they have put this all together, all three of them. You're going to get in here for $1. For $1. This sells for $499. I'm letting you in for $1 from Mobley. And exclusive is trained by Trevor Carr, and he takes you anywhere from YouTube to Facebook to Instagram, you name it. This is really, really great training here that's from him too. And this is I believe this sold for $400 also. And Commission Glitch, who is by Glenn Kowski, who is a super affiliate in England. And this is a really great program. It teaches you how to make money, and it's just really, really easy. So you're going to get all these bonuses from me, plus you're going to get the special action bonuses from the vendors. We'll run over and look at what the vendor's going to give you, and that will be at the bottom of this page. So you're going to get all my bonuses, and let me see what he's giving away. Because it'll be at the bottom, because that's usually where they are. So we're almost there, so be patient. Alright, these are the bonuses. Okay, these over the shoulder look at. Alright, over the shoulder look at really easy video training, which is $1,000 value, practically $997. They're going to give you free traffic and phone for 330 million motivated buyers, which is valued at $1,997 value. DFY software to automate the scale. This is how you get paid from other people's art. So this really goes with this, and it's $997 value. You can get that free. And 5-figure case study, scratch to 1,000 reel. That's $1,497 value. So it's all going to be no cost to you, and they're all going to be waiting for you in the members area once you pick up Latitude and pick them up. And when you go to pick them up, you just scroll down, just log into your Warriors account, go to your name that you use, and then click on Latitude because that's your purchases. Go to your purchase area, and then down here it'll say available bonuses or affiliate bonus, and then you just click on that, and your bonuses will all be waiting for you right then. You get them immediately. So front end of Latitude is only going to be $12.95. And like I said on this page, which is the actual sales, me do it because I'm in my recorder apparently. But if you go up to $3 coupon, that'll come up. So with the coupon that come up, that's only going to cost you $9.95 now. It's at $12.95. So that's really cheap for something to make all this money with. So it takes you through MetaMask account setup, how to access your OpenSea Meta account. That's really easy to do, so I went in there and saw about doing it. OpenSea profile customization, this was really easy. How to create a collection. Now this you really want to do is create a collection because them sell for the most money, and it's really easy to do that. That just means you got like 5 or 6 pictures that are all together because you have a collection. Adding any item, how to add Ethereum to your MetaMask, and this is really easy, and how to list an item for sale. Traffic source, Discord, traffic source, Twitter, and security. And like I said, William takes you through all this, and he just does an excellent, excellent job at explaining all this. Excuse me. He is very professional. I can't believe how great that he did this. So, okay, so let's go through these. So the front end Latitude's $12.95. Like I told you, it's going to cost you $9.95 because you just go back up on the page like I showed you, and there'll be a $3 coupon. It'll be a pop-up that'll pop up here. So then they'll apply that, and then you just get that. Product bump, private VIP group access, $7.97. Private access to our VIP group where you get exclusive support guides from William the Creative Latitude. This I probably would be a get because he knows what he's doing. So, why not get trained by someone that knows what they're doing? Latitude Pro. Now, this is the one I would definitely get because Latitude Pro is hands-on free way to cash in with this unique system. We show you how to effortlessly flip other people's NFTs and win ball. So without creating a single thing yourself, you can just flip other people's NFTs and you make money. And the upsell is 47, so you can go down to 37. So right there, you can save yourself $10 on doing this. And then the Latitude Deluxe is advanced training on leveraging digital art collections. And 10 times their income, you'll discover how to create or assemble collections without sourcing, lifting, generating. So this would be $67, which will be down to $47. So that'll save you $20 right there. So this is I would definitely get this one. This one, if you want to make collections and make a lot more money, I would definitely pick this up. Like I said, they save $20 just on this up. So Elite Insiders Club. Direct access to our only club where the richest NFT players shape up to minute shortcuts and strategies. You also get added to the private list and given early info. Okay, this is really important. This Insiders Club, they know when NFTs are hot, what's selling, what's going to be selling, what time of the day it's going to be selling, when it's going to be posted. I would definitely pick this up if you are really interested in doing this type of stuff. For $67, you'll be the first one to get in, and then you can flip what you want, get what you want, and flip them for the highest bidder and make all the money. So this is really a good thing to get. Like I said, they've got downsell here at 67. Save yourself $30, but that'd be a great thing to get. And traffic is going to be $197, but you can get it for $97. What this means is Jono's going to put his pixels on his pages so that you're going to get, well, actually, where all his traffic goes, which he gets thousands and thousands of people to his traffic. So you're going to be able to advertise to these people. So if he's got your pixel, you can re-advertise to his traffic actually. And like I said, he gets thousands of people on it. and then Ultra Resale Rates bundle at 67 down to 47. So if you this is where you get, this bundle includes full resale rates to Latitude, which is the one we're showing you. Gemini, JavaScript, Permission Bots, and TweetX. These were all great big sellers, and so you could pick this up for $47. So if you did that, where's my, we're going to look at the upsells and downsells. What this means is if you picked up those resale rates just for this one program, you pick up all this money if you sold it. You keep all the money instead of just maybe the front end or something like that. If you, and that's that would apply to all four. This one would have its own upsell, you keep all this. This one would have its own upsell, you keep all this. Twix have its own upsell, you keep all of them. And like I said, all you do is got to click on one of these links before the timer runs down. Go to this main page, which is the sales page, and just click on any of these links to get access and get all these bonuses totally free. And like I said, it's going to cost you under $10 to put them up with a $3 coupon. So let's go through and look at this page a little bit. This is the sales page, and there's Ashley Perry, who was Joan Armstrong's associate or whatever you want to call them. They work together. And this is really stupidly simple. Now, here are really some results getting us already. $13,712 in 8 minutes. 16,327 in 2 days. Now remember, you've seen these pictures. There's nothing that are wonderful. They're, some are right out ugly. So $5,811 in 13 days. And these people are just going ahead and making these NFTs and flipping them. And this is the kind of money they're making now. Step 1, step 2, step 3, boom, you can make money. So this is William. And like I said, he's only 12 years old. And he's made thousands of dollars. He's 12 years old. Okay, he sold this. Thousands of dollars. And you can see it's not, like I said, if you have no art experience or anything, you can go ahead and do this. It's really simple to do. I told you, these pictures are just nothing great. Nothing great at all. So you just go ahead and flip them, and like I said, it's going to be the biggest thing it is. And if you're interested in crypto and making money, that this is really a great thing. Now this is Gary V, which they call him. He's a bigwig, and I mean a bigwig. He is all into this. He can't believe this. He is more than 20 million from NFT drop. 20 million. So, and he doesn't usually do this stuff. He's into other things, but this NFT thing, he's really awake on this. And Zoe, she made 500 grand from one NFT. This must have been it. So, I think you could do that. See, 580,000 from this one. Come on now, $580,000. I think I'm going to start doing this. No kidding. So anyway, this is what it's all about. And like I said, this will add to the menu there. And as you can see, it's all really simple. And it's going to be really easy to create everything. And like I said, William here is only 12 years old. And he's going ahead and doing it. So you just got to pick it up before the time runs down. You get all my bonuses. Like I told you, everything's going to be waiting in the members area for you right under your name and under your purchase. And you just go here and collect your bonuses totally free of charge. You're getting all this stuff totally free of charge, plus all the stuff on the vendors page is totally free of charge. So if I were you, I wouldn't even think twice about it. Go ahead and pick this up. So thanks for watching my review, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and talk to you later.